By the end of 2025, Modo Energy projects that there could be 18 gigawatts of battery energy storage in ERCOT, up from 5.3 gigawatts today. But this figure is actually lower than ERCOT's projection. So how do we get there? In July, over 600 megawatts of battery projects received approval to synchronize to the ERCOT grid. In addition to this, nearly 350 megawatts of projects received approval to energize their substations. There are now 3.8 gigawatts of projects in development that have received their approval to energize. But how long should we expect it to take for these projects to become commercially operational? On average, it takes batteries around 6 months to reach commercial operations once they've received approval to energize, and 90% of projects take less than a year. Many of these projects were granted approval to energize prior to July. Some of them have actually progressed a step further than this, receiving their approval to synchronize. Ultimately, this means that the majority of these projects should reach commercial operations within the next 6 months. Now, let's factor in other projects that will potentially gain approval and reach commercial operations before the end of 2025. To do this, let's expand our projection to include all assets that have met the prerequisites to be included in ERCOT's quarterly stability assessment. These projects, totaling a further 2.3 gigawatts, are now awaiting their approval to energize. The majority of them will become commercially operational in the next 18 months. This means that around 6 gigawatts of new battery energy storage systems should reach commercial operations in ERCOT by the end of 2025. And if we include all projects that have signed an interconnection agreement, total installed rated power would reach 18 gigawatts. But given the unpredictable nature of project development, we'd expect between 12 and 18 gigawatts of commercially operational storage on the grid by the end of 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.